Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix LEGO Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight connection error. So here's what you're gonna do. You want to go to search, type in CMD, click Run as Administrator, allow it, and here type in ipconfig /release and then enter, and now type in ipconfig /renew and then enter, and then type in ipconfig and then type in ipconfig /lush DNS, and now type in net sh winsock reset and press enter, and now type in exit. Don't restart your PC just yet. You want to go back to search, find view network connections, go to Ethernet, properties, find Internet Protocol version 4, open it. So click here, use the following DNS, and then type in here 1.1.1.1.0.0.1, and then try if the game is working. Or you can use the other one, which is 8.8.8.8, 8.8.4.4. And after you're done with that, you want to exit out of this, restart your PC, and then the game should work properly. That's it for this video. That's how you fix LEGO Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight connection error. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.